Welcome to the best picks. The best terrarium kit is probably one of the most engaging and educational activities for kids aged 8 to 12. It's a fantastic way to introduce them to the wonders of nature, allowing them to build their own miniature ecosystems right at home. This video will guide you through everything you need to know about selecting the perfect terrarium kit, from the best features to consider to ensure a fun and enriching experience for your child. Number 5. National Geographic Earth Science Kit. This amazing kit lets kids dive into over 100 exciting Earth science experiments. It's a fantastic way for them to learn and discover the wonders of our planet. With this kit, they can grow their own crystals and even build and erupt a volcano. It's hands-on fun that brings science to life. The kit comes with all the materials needed for 15 awesome experiments, like creating a water tornado and excavating for fool's gold. It's a complete package for young scientists. It also includes 10 rock and mineral specimens to kickstart their very own rock collection. A special case is provided to keep their treasures safe. And the fun doesn't stop there. There's a bonus guide with over 85 additional experiments that can be done with common household items. It's endless learning and fun. This product is from Blue Marble, a winner of the Toy of the Year award. They create products that encourage learning and imagination, with a dedicated support team. What we like? This kit offers over 100 exciting experiments, ensuring endless fun and learning. It also includes a rock collection, perfect for budding geologists. If you're looking for a comprehensive science kit that combines education with a variety of activities, this is the one. It's an award-winning product, so you know it's a great choice. What people say? All the items in the kit were excellent and great quality. A really cool educational booklet came with the set, and we learned some really cool facts about non-Newtonian fluid and also learned about how putty came into existence. It was very surprising. Good product to give very nice learning experience for young scientists. Number 4. National Geographic Crystal Growing Kit for Kids. This amazing kit lets kids grow their own crystals in 6 vibrant colors, including glow-in-the-dark. It's a fun and colorful way to explore crystal chemistry. The crystals grow in just 3 to 4 days. With red, green, blue, purple, yellow, and glow-in-the-dark options, the crystal growing process is easy. The kit includes clear crystal seed rocks and silicone growing chambers for simple crystal creation. The kit comes with easy-to-follow instructions. The grown crystals can be placed directly into the display. Show off your crystals on the included light-up display. It's a great way to showcase your creations. The kit includes 4 real gemstone specimens and a STEM learning guide. It teaches all about crystal formation, making it a great educational tool. National Geographic provides high-quality educational toys. If you're not completely satisfied, let us know, and we'll make it right. What we like? With this kit, you can grow crystals in 6 vibrant colors in just a few days. It also comes with a light-up display to showcase your creations. If you like quick results and a dazzling presentation, this kit is perfect for you. It's a fantastic way to learn about crystal formation while creating something beautiful. What people say? Great kit, and the crystals that grew in the silicone cups came out nicer than the ones in my glass cups. The set is very nice and comes as advertised. However, the crystals did not grow as well as I expected. The presence of the support with light for a spore crystalli is a nice idea, even if it contains only 5 crystals, while the kit allows you to produce 6 and therefore 1 is not exposed. Number 3. National Geographic Volcano Kit, STEM Science Toy. This kit provides more eruption powder than ever before. It includes pop crystals to add exciting sounds to the eruptions. This science kit is fun for everyone. This is a great hands-on experiment kit. The updated mold and instructions make it easy to assemble a sturdy volcano. Realistic paint colors give it a lifelike look. It includes a pumice and a geode specimen so kids can see real rocks created by a volcano. A full-color learning guide teaches about each rock and volcano science. This is a classic STEM project that teaches kids about chemistry, geology, and earth science. The volcano mold is reusable, and the guide provides tips for different eruptions. We are proud to make high-quality hands-on science toys. If your experience is less than stellar, let us know and we'll make things right. The product is backed by exceptional service. What we like? This kit provides more eruption powder for extra fun, and includes real volcanic rocks for a realistic experience. The Volcano mold is reusable, offering long-term play value. If you're fascinated by volcanoes and want a hands-on, educational experience, this kit is a must-have. It's a classic STEM project that's both fun and informative. What people say. The instructions are clear, and the materials provided are high quality. It includes everything you need to create an erupting volcano, which helped my children understand how volcanoes work in a really engaging way. The kit includes a small booklet with fun facts about volcanoes, how they form, and how eruptions occur. Number 2. National Geographic Crystal Growing Kit. This kit lets you grow crystals in 3 amazing colors: blue, purple, and green. It's an engaging and educational science experiment. Chemistry has never been so fun and colorful with it. Show off your crystals on the light-up display. It has 7 single color modes, a rainbow color mode, and 3 brightness levels. Your crystal treasures will shine brightly with this feature. The kit contains everything you need. It includes growing powder, clear seed rocks, a growing chamber, and a light-up display. The flexible growing chamber makes it easy to remove your crystals without damage. This kit also comes with 3 real gemstone specimens, including a geode, green fluorite, and blue calcite. It includes a detailed learning guide explaining how crystals grow. It's an excellent STEM gift. We are proud to make the highest quality hands-on science toys. All our products are backed by exceptional service. If you're not satisfied, let us know, and we'll make it right. What we like. Grow crystals in 3 amazing colors and display them on a patent-pending light-up stand. It includes real gemstone specimens to kickstart a collection. If you want a visually stunning and educational experience, this kit is ideal. It's a great way to learn about crystal growth while creating a beautiful display. What people say. The Terrarium Kit is a great way to get kids interested in science. The kit includes everything you need to create a terrarium, including a glass jar, soil, seeds, and decorations. The instructions are easy to follow, and the whole process is a lot of fun. Number 1. BRYTE Unicorn Terrarium Kit for Kids. Looking for a unique gift? This kit is perfect for kids who love to explore. They can decorate unicorns and grow plants in their own fantasy world. This all-in-one kit comes with everything needed. It includes an acrylic dome, paint, unicorns, rocks, a castle, soil, seeds, lights, and instructions for a magical experience. This fairy terrarium kit sparks imagination and a love for nature. It's ideal for kids who enjoy science projects and arts and crafts, perfect for every little artist or gardener. Crafted with premium, kid-safe materials, this DIY kit combines learning and fun. It encourages kids to get curious about nature and unleash their inner explorer. This terrarium craft kit is perfect for kids aged 4 to 12. It offers an engaging activity that keeps them entertained, boosts creativity, and reduces screen time. Watch them light up as they discover and play with it. BRYTE provides high-quality craft sets for kids that are both fun and educational. The designs ensure every child has a blast with this terrarium starter kit and more. What we like. This kit offers a unique unicorn-themed terrarium, complete with a castle and fairy lights. It encourages creativity and imaginative play. If you have a child who loves unicorns, arts and crafts, and gardening, this kit is the perfect choice. It's a magical experience that sparks imagination and a love for nature. What people say. Setting it up was easy and fun. The paint they give you is so. We planted the seeds and within a week the grass was growing like crazy. The seeds sprouted within days, much to my surprise, and the grass is still going strong. I like that the kit supplies you with lots of seeds, so we can continuously plant new ones when we want to do so. The light string has nice colors and is surprisingly bright. We don't use it as a night light because it's a bit too bright, but it casts a nice glow to the room. Painting the unicorns, castle and rainbow first was so fun for her. Then putting together the terrarium, including planting the seeds, was awesome. Sprouts were showing the very next day. By day 7, the grass was so full and already touching the top. She had a blast trimming the grass too. The included UV LED lights which we put on after grass was about 3-inch tall look super cool. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.